All right, next 24 hours, no alcohol or caffeine, no heavy lifting. Take it easy for the rest of the day. If your arm
I
starts
can't
to,
exercise tonight?
no, tomorrow.
Tomorrow? Okay.
Yeah, morning. Um, take it easy for the rest of the day. Your arm starts to bleed. Raise it straight up and apply pressure. And clean the area with soap and water once you take the rest of the bandage off, okay?
Okay.
Everything I stated to you is on this paper. Any problems when you leave, so you call this number and give them this ID number, okay?
Okay.
Thanks so much for donating.
You're welcome.